So exercise 12.3, first problem, find the area of the shaded region that is given in the figure. This is the shaded region. Here PQ is given as 24 centimeter, PR is given as 7 centimeter, and O is the center of the circle. You have to find the area of the shaded region. Now here, if you observe, this is the diameter. This is passing through the center of the circle, and this angle RPQ, this angle is angle in a semicircle, so it should be 90 degree. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem here. Hypotenuse is RQ, so RQ square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. So here these values are already given, PR and PQ. You can find QR, that will give you the diameter. Radius, you have got the diameter as 25, so radius will be 25 by 2. Then area of the semicircle will be pi r square by 2. So you will find area of the semicircle. Now why we are finding area of the semicircle? Because the shaded region is what you have to find out. So for finding area of the shaded region, you can do semicircle's area minus the area of this right angle triangle. So that will give you this shaded region's area. Area of this triangle will be half into base into height. So base is PQ, that is 24, and height is PR, that is 7. So this will be area of the semicircle, 245.54 centimeter square. Area of triangle PQR is half into PR into PQ. So that when you calculate, it will come as 84 centimeter square. Then you will subtract both, that will give you area of the shaded region, that is 161.54 centimeter square. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure. If radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. So outer circle's radius is 14 centimeter, inner circle's radius is 7 centimeter. And central angle is 40 degree. Now just like for a circular ring, what you do is you will subtract area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. That will give you the area of the ring. That is area formed between these two circles. So same way, here two sectors are there. Concentric circles are forming a sector. And you have to find this area of the shaded region. So that will be outer sector minus inner sector. Central angle is already given to you. So that is 40 by 360 into pi r square. That is, or you can say R1 and R2, pi R1 square. So R1 you will take it as 14 minus theta by 360 into pi R2 square, where R2 you will take it as 7 centimeter. So when you subtract the area of these two sectors, you will get the area of the shaded region. So this is area of the outer sector, 68.44 centimeter square, and the inner one is 17.11 centimeter square. So after subtracting, you will get 51.33 centimeter square. So third problem, find the area of the shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircles. So shaded region's area you have to find out. Shaded region will be area of the square minus area of these two semicircles. Now both the semicircles will have the same area. So one semicircle's area multiplied by 2, you can subtract from the area of the square. So area of the square is side into side. Side is 14 centimeter. So it will be 196 centimeter square. Now for finding the area of the semicircle, this side of the square is only diameter of the circle. So half of this will give you the radius. So if AD is 14, then half of this will be 7. So you will take 7 as the radius and find the area of both the semicircles. So that is pi r square by 2. Area of the semicircle is pi r square by 2, but you will multiply it with 2 because there are two semicircles. So these two will together be equivalent to one circle. So that circle's area will be 154 centimeter square, and shaded region will be 196 minus 154, that is 42 centimeter square. So fourth one, you have to find the area of this shaded region, that is the entire region, where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter as the center. So here there's an equilateral triangle given with side 12 centimeter with one of their vertex as the center. One arc has been drawn. Radius as 6 centimeter. You have to find area of this entire region. So since AOB is an equilateral triangle, we know that for equilateral triangle all three angles are 60° each. So this angle O will be 60. Now the reflex angle of this, together it is forming 360°, so the reflex angle of this will be 300. Area of the equilateral triangle AOB will be root 3 by 4 into OA square. Now OA, we already know that sides are given as 12 centimeter. So after substituting the value, you will get it as 36 root 3 centimeter square. That is the area of the equilateral triangle. Now one way can be find the area of the entire circle, that is pi r square, and subtract minor sector's area from that, because that sector is overlapping with it. So area of the minor sector is 132 by 7. Area of the shaded region can be found as area of the equilateral triangle plus area of the circle minus area of the minor sector. Or another way can be find out area of the major sector and add with equilateral triangle. Fifth one, from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. So this is a square of side 4 centimeter. From here, each of the corners, one quadrant is cut out. So quadrant is angle is 90° in a quadrant, or you can also say it is 1/4 of the circle. So like that, 4 quadrants are there. So together it will make one whole circle. And also there is inside one circle which has been cut out. So area of the square minus area of these 4 quadrants minus area of this circle will give you the area of the shaded portion. So area of the square you can find out first. That is 4 square, 16 centimeter square. Then area of one quadrant you can find out pi r square by 4. Now radius of the quadrant is given as 1 centimeter. So substitute r equal to 1. So this answer you will get for area of quadrant, one quadrant. But 4 such quadrants are there. So you have to multiply this with 4. So you will get it as 22 by 7 centimeter square, total area of the quadrants. Then you will also find area of the circle. Now for circle, it is given diameter is 2 centimeter, which means radius should be 1 centimeter. So pi r square. So that will also come as 22 by 7. So area of the square shaded region will be area of the square minus area of these two. So you can add both and then subtract, or subtract each one. Final answer will be 68 by 7 centimeter square.